palmistry reading of a 23-year-old person. Now, he basically complained regarding obsessive compulsive disorder before he started to take the reading from me. So I would be telling regarding his particular hand, everything regarding his hand, and importantly regarding this particular aspect as well. Before I start my video, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube. Don't miss another update. You can call me or you can email me. These are the phone number and the email that are mentioned out here. Now we would straight away head to this particular hand image, and he complained regarding obsessive compulsive disorder in the past. Now things have improved. So we would be taking a look at this particular aspect. So for this particular aspect, we should first take an overall look at the palm. Overall look at the palm shows good indications. It has got few lines over it, few crisscrossing lines over it. The lesser the lines, the better it is considered to be. So in that way it is good, because too many lines creates lots of roadblocks and depressive tendencies. He did complain to me that he had depressive tendencies and this obsessive compulsive disorder. But when we take a look at this particular hand, we don't find any such thing. And specifically, we have to look at the area of Saturn for depressive tendencies. There are two areas that are referred: the area of Mount of Moon and the area of Mount of Saturn. Saturn is a very slow moving planet, and Saturn basically is the planet for depressive tendencies. And Saturn is the planet for why we say depressive tendencies, because it's a very slow moving planet. And if there are many lines under the finger of Saturn or on the finger of Saturn, these crossing over of lines, these horizontal kind of lines, then the negative qualities of Saturn comes into play. But we don't find those kind of indication out here. If we zoom into the area of the Mount of Saturn, you would also find lesser lines over it. So in that way it is good. But what is a little bit different in this particular hand is that the heart line, this is the heart line, and this is a very, very long line, and it is almost reaching till the end of on the Mount of Jupiter and till the end of the palm. From one area, it starts from the base of the Mount of Mercury. It starts and it basically reaches and touches almost the Mount of Jupiter. So this is called a long line of heart. A long line of heart basically signifies that the person is likely going to be very idealistic and very, very sensitive kind of a person, and these people generally get hurt. So this is what is represented by a long heart line. But at the same time, the good part about the heart line is that the quality of the heart line as such is neat and clean. It doesn't have any breaks on it. Some people, they have constant breaks on the heart line, and some people, they have these branches hanging downwards towards the headline. These kind of indications are not seen. That's the reason why the quality of the heartline increases. It's just that the length of the heartline is long, which makes a person a very sensitive and idealistic person, and that might be the reason why the person is facing these kind of problems. The person also has got there's a small kind of an island on the heartline. An island on the heartline basically signifies that the person is likely to have some emotional breakup, or some emotion related issues might have cropped up. But this is all happening at an early age. These problems are likely not going to arise at the later portion of one's life. So island is a little bit negative, but as such we find that the line of heart is neat and clear in the right hand, the active hand. If we take a look at the left hand, on the left hand you would notice that the heart line is distinct and clear, absolutely clear. The headline is also absolutely clear. So that's the reason why we say that this is a balanced personality. The only problem lies with the heart line in the left hand is that it is hanging downwards on the headline. It is touching the headline. When it is touching the headline, it signifies the heartline is touching. This is the heartline. It is touching the headline. It signifies that the person is likely to have misplaced affections. These people are going to be affectionate to those people who are not worth their affection. So they need to be a little bit careful whom they associate with. And because the person is also a very trusting kind of a person, the person is also likely to get hurt more easily. So there should be some caution in his life as to whom the person associates with. And if the person should not, this person should not give money, time or energy to people who are not worth his affection. This is the main guru mantra basically for him. So this is one aspect. Now we take a look at the money line. This is the money line. It's ending on the headline. So, and a new money line crops up somewhere close to the age of 36, 37, and that basically continues. The quality of the money line is reasonably good, which automatically converts into reasonably good good money sources. There's a problem line coming and touching the money line somewhere at the age of 32. This intersection, the headline and the intersection of the money line, this age is 35. So this portion of the money line is before the age of 35, and that's the reason why the line that is touching the money line somewhere at the age of 33, 34, that's the approximate age. This is when few problems might arise. But again, because the quality of the line is good, so the person need not worry about it. But at the same time, the money line doesn't tell everything about the money. It is each and every line that we have to come to the final conclusion in order to see for success. If the headline is neat and clean, the chances for success increases, because there's absolutely clarity, and there are no mental hiccups, or there's no mental problems, or whatever big problem might arise, still the person would be able to hold his mental strength. And at the same time, the heart line is also perfect. It is perfect, I would say. Although the person right at the beginning of the session, he told me something about him, but even in spite of whatever the person has told me, still I'm going against the tide, and I am saying that the person can handle stress in a very good way. So this is a good indication. Apart from that, for mental issues also, the area of Mount of Moon is seen. Mount of Moon is reasonably okay, so I won't, basically, because this is the area of your mood swings. And also, if the area of Moon is good, by good we mean that there are no crisscrossing too many lines over it. So if there are not too many lines over it, we can say with certainty that things are likely to be reasonably good. So in that way, it is good. The mental strength and the emotional strength both are strong in this particular hand. The head and the lifeline are joined. The left hand at the start for an initial long portion of time, it means the person is cautious, shy and hardworking. The person also has got these Mercury lines, although in the initial stage it's not so good, but just on the mount, these are perpendicular lines. These lines can also be seen in the right hand as well. There are one or two lines out here. So these perpendicular lines on the mount of Mercury are signification of that the person has got good set of skills. Lesser line over the mount of Mercury also signifies that the person can rest his mind as well, because resting of mind is required in order to make because everything has to be recharged. So if there are too many lines on the mount of Mercury, it would mean that the person has got too many things cropping up in their mind and it's overworking. But less lines over the mount of Mercury is always better for the set of skills. This is the area of your business, this is the area of your calculations and everything. Now, one more important aspect that can be seen is a very, very different kind of aspect that can be seen is okay, one more thing I need to add. This is the headline, and headline somewhere out here, just under the second finger, the finger of Saturn, the finger of depression, the finger of money, possession and wealth. If there are any problem lines, that's when depressive tendencies may take place in a huge way, but we don't find any such thing in a very significant way. That's the reason why we say whatever things are there, they would be in bearable limits. Now, one more important aspect, a very, very important aspect, is that the lifeline is kind of ending at an early stage. The early stage is approximately 30-35. That's the approximate stage, I would say. But I would still say the person need not worry, because the person also has got this parallel line from the mount of Mars. This is the area of mount of Mars and running close to the lifeline. So this is the line of protection. The line of Mars is the line of protection. But even better, line is an overlapping line. This is the overlapping line that we are referring to, and this is called the line of life. There's a confusion. Should we call it as a line of life, or should we call this as a line of money? So there's a confusion. What should we refer this line as to? So it's a combination. I would say that it's a combination of both these lines merged into one. Probably the lifeline and the money line, they both are merged in such a way that only one line is formed. So the reason why we say this is considered to be a good line, because this area is the area of Mars and this is the area of Venus. There are two areas that we are referring to, and if the area of Mars has got less area, it means less fire, less fighting spirit, and if there's less area on the amount of Venus, it means less fuel, less energy, less stamina. So imagine if this particular line was the main line and it would have continued even till the last point. Let's assume that it is continuing to the last point. So it would mean less fire and less fuel. So what it would mean is that the person is also not going to be successful because of less fighting spirit and less fuel. But what is happening is that this is the lifeline, this is ending somewhere out here, and another one is overlapping out here. So overlapping of the lifeline basically signifies more fire, the area of Mars, and more fuel, this is the area of Venus. So that's how more energies are coming. So what might take place in his life is a substantial change might take place suddenly in his life. A marked change, a huge kind of a change might take place somewhere around the age of 35. I can't say with certainty what age, but this is just an approximation. And just to give an example of who other person, a very known person, has got a similar kind of a line. If you take a look at this Shah Rukh Khan's right hand, you would notice similar kind of a indication. So there are very good images on the internet. You can basically take a look at it and you'd find that there are similarities on this particular hand and Shah Rukh Khan's hand. So I won't say that the person is going to become so huge, but substantial changes in his life might take place. Less lines over the hand is automatically a good sign. You would notice towards the end you don't even see a good line of money, and towards the end no line of sun. So absence of the line might mean unlimited possibilities. So don't think that if there are no lines that it would mean total no career at all. Sometimes absence of the line is an excellent sign. So two excellent signs can be seen: overlapping of the lifeline and perpendicular line on the Mount of Mercury. These are one of the best indications. The length of the heart line basically increases the emotions, and the person's angling towards money decreases. So the importance of money basically decreases. The person may still deny, the person may still tell me no, they want money. Yes, I do agree, because the society has put pressure on them and given more importance to the money. That's the reason why even they have gone far away from their original nature, which was being an idealistic person. So this is what is represented by this particular hand. In the left hand, the heartline is touching the headline. This is a negative aspect. I've already explained to you what it basically signifies, and I would end my video out here. And before I end the video, I would repeat few things that I repeated in almost all my videos. We can come to know about money from every aspect of your palm: the heartline, the headline, life, sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, or any other line or any other planet. The importance of money line is just 15% in terms of how much money we will be making in our life. And a saint once said, you do not need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is the result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Keep positive thoughts and keep good company. That's what matters the most. If the hand is good and the person is keeping bad company, it is going to take the person in a wrong direction, in a negative direction. And if the person doesn't have any good indication, and if the person is keeping good company, they would certainly move towards the positive direction. Thanks, bye, and take care.